now, let us say we have some contributions from members of the public. Iwudaro Alfred said, I want to use this medium to praise the effort of the Comrade Governor in rapid development of the state. Iwudaro Alfred, I want to say thank you for being part of this positive drive in the state. You are part of it, and I want to thank you for that. My contribution is the ticket problems everywhere, like Lagos Street Junction, Third Junction. Please take care of that problem. Thanks. I think that the ticket issue covers the Lagos Street Junction I just mentioned and the Third Junction. I think those areas are covered within the local government mentioned, Oredo, Ego, and Obaka. It's a way the people of Edo State, that's from, you didn't put your name, so I couldn't mention your name. Where the people of Edo State like what the Comrade government is doing in the state, we say thanks. But we the people of Ogwa, East and West, still beg the government to extend the development to our side, mostly the road that lead from Eho to Ogwa, S to Chris. I think you want to say one or two things there.
That's your that's very true. So you know that area better than me. But I know that the Comrade Governor is very intent on touching all the 18 local governments of the state, and a lot of projects are actually in place towards that end. It's not possible to do everything all at the same time, not because of the lack of intention or the lack of desire to do so, but from the lack of resources. So a lot of things have been prioritized and have been phased out, put in phases of the developmental process. So you can be very sure that nowhere at all will be left out, not the smallest hamlet in Edo State. But also, having said so, the community in itself must also be proactive in helping the government to achieve some of these ends. Because the government, you cannot wait for the government to do everything. If you start on a project, be it even just the erection of a wall or the earthing of the road, you can then ask the government to also supplement your efforts. It helps. We know that everybody is going through a tight time, but also is the government.
And I think if I may add to that, another way the community can help the government is to draw the government attention to
of course, yes.
Which Chris has
done, and he's done very well.
So Chris, you have done very well by drawing government attention to your local government, to your area, Ogwa, and I think that we will draw. So, and as we round up, I commend His Excellency for his achievement so far. The road, particularly at Central Hospital, well, you commend the governor, and I think that the Central Hospital issue is being taken care of and on a permanent basis, and that is the reason for the erection of that magnificent edifice that you are seeing in that place. So, as we begin to run, just one statement, one word to do, one statement.
We are very, very mindful that all legitimacy in the government belongs to the people. This is a government that is people-oriented and is totally committed to the people, and also is not arrogant to think that it has all the answers to all the problems, or even knows all the problems. So we always appeal to the community, to our people, to the good people of Edo State, who are actually our masters. We are only servants of the people. And we ask that you should please, as much as possible, inform us of what your problems are in as constructive a way as possible. And we will do our very best to respond appropriately.
Okay, I want to say thank you for being part of the show. Thank you very much. And we are out there, I want to say thank you for being part of the show. Where if you want to know more about what the government is doing, you can visit our website, www.edopeoplesforum.com, and our Facebook at Department of Public Affairs, Government House. And when you get there, you see, and you can post your comment also in that particular page.